Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry. And today I have a great recipe for you guys. It is pasta salad. So it's almost the end of summer, so I figured let me give you guys this great dish. So we're going to start off with some olive oil, sriracha. It's some salad supreme seasoning, relish, soy sauce, and rice vinegar. And this is going to be for the dressing for the pasta salad, right? Now, for the actual pasta salad ingredients, we're going to use tomatoes, corn, bell peppers, onions, and celery. And the corn was actually grilled and I just cut it off the cob, so that's gonna have a nice smoky flavor to it. But you can just use corn from a can or whatever, you don't have to do that. So I'm gonna add all the ingredients into the bowl, and except for the oil, because I'm gonna add that in last little by little to make a vinaigrette. Guys, I don't know about you, but this is a huge pet peeve of mine. It's actually pronounced vinaigrette and not vinaigrette. I don't know why people say that. It's so weird. It's pronounced vinaigrette. Anyway, you just want to add little by little, and you can whisk as you're adding it. You can add it little by little. You can emulsify it. You can blend it. But if you emulsify it, that actually will help it blend together better and the oil won't separate. So if you guys are in a rush and you still want to do this pasta salad and don't want to make this dressing, what you can do is buy Italian dressing. I like that with my pasta salad. I don't use like mayo or anything. This is not coleslaw, you know what I'm saying? So you're going to add all the vegetables in after you made the sauce. So the sauce is at the bottom. And I'm just showing you that I added all the vegetables in. I cooked some pasta, preferably spaghetti noodles. You're just going to cook those for about 14-15 minutes and drain them. And if the pasta's warm, it's all right. Because this is supposed to be a cold dish. You just put it in the refrigerator and let it cool down. So I have all of my ingredients now inside of the bowl, and what we're going to do is we're going to put a top on this, and we're going to shake it up to incorporate the dressing and everything together. And this is just the fun part, you know, so if you have kids, you can actually let them shake it up. After you do this, you want to let it sit in the refrigerator for a good 24 hours. It'll achieve maximum flavor, and really the sauce dressing will marinate the noodles and the vegetables, and it'll taste great. So here we have a mini mukbang, because you know you have to taste your food. Guys, let me know if you like these mini mukbangs in the video. I think they're so fun. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button, right? And right next to the subscribe button is a bell button. You're going to want to click that, because when you do, you get notifications of when I post. Because some people are saying they aren't seeing my videos. But anyway, that's the end. And I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.